see we've got a scale here, we've got a meter stick here, left, right, whatever. We had some words. Sorry about that. So we've got some dimensions here. It says this eye bolt is at 28 centimeters, and this eye bolt is at 42 centimeters above here. We can confirm that really quick, just to see. Whoops, let's do this side. I'm going to start at 10. I'm starting at 10, so that's about right. Somewhere in there. So again, notice I'm starting at 10. You know, for the sake of the video, let's do this. It's been a long day. So again, there's some error using the end of a meter stick, but who cares? This error is going to be small. And that's from the bottom of the rod. That's from about the middle of the rod. You make your call. Might be closer to 40 centimeters, something like that. Okay. Now we're going to put this on here, and I guess I'll set it up so it's right here. This end is at 80 centimeters. Now I'm going to try and slide this. Actually, let's get this data point, and I'll just go data from this end to that end, because that's the hardest data point to get. So I'm going to start down there. Sorry for that. So can you get the scale? Good?
Yeah.
And then try and get a good shot so they can try and get the distance of the black mass there.
Gotcha.
So just try to estimate that. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and move this way. And so that was not touching the string, just so you know. That was what I was saying is the hardest one to get. This is not touching the string either, so go ahead and get the scale and the... Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get the X this time. Go ahead and just get the X.
The
And the
X.
scale. Oh, sorry, I'm thinking of this as the X. Sort of like the X coordinate somehow. And remember, the end of the ruler here is at 80. Got it? Okay, let's get another X. Ready? I don't even know if it's changing that much. I haven't been paying attention. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Angus Lewis.
Oh, it's amazing.
That's very good. Of course, he'll never hear you clap for him, but I will, in my mind. I don't know how much I'm moving this thing at all. I'm just kind of trying to get some data here. Got it?
Yeah, it seems to take it a minute to focus.
Yeah. Good. A couple more, maybe. Can't get it. So seems like it's not focusing, huh?
Yeah.
Let me get those letters in there. Yeah. There we go. That looks pretty good, right?
Oh,
Take your best guess off that.
there we go.
We get one bad data point. We do. And
There we
before
go.
I forget, this is a 500 gram mass. And get this stuff down here. The mass of the rod itself is 201. It says the length of the rod is 56. You got a meter stick. You can read it yourself. It's an experiment. Nothing's going to be perfect because, yeah, where is this? Is this really the end of the rod? Who knows? Let's get one more data point and call that good. Does that sound good?
These L values refer to these
Yeah, I think those
hooks,
were these
so
ones.
They don't matter. Yeah.
So that kind of gives you an idea if you were reading the numbers. These L values were the hook spots, so
Yeah.
hopefully that helps you check your math. And again, this is very approximate. That scale reading, hopefully you can get at least to the nearest half Newton, maybe a little better. But I would guess if you're lucky to get to the half Newton. I think that's pretty good. Let's call that.
All right.